Hey there, welcome to Woodland Hills. I am in Summit Creek, which is a luxury residential community in Utah County in Woodland Hills, and it is located about an hour south of Salt Lake City. Today, I'm super excited to take you on a tour of this gorgeous home that is actually currently for sale in Summit Creek. Let me give you a little bit of the details. It is almost on an acre. It is over 8,000 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and offered at $4.5 million. Let's come on in, take a tour of this gorgeous home. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you love best about this. And if you are thinking about making a move or relocating here to Summit Creek, or anywhere here in the Utah County area, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and my team and I would absolutely love to help you out. All right, let's come on in. Okay, so what did you think about that gorgeous home here in the Summit Creek area? Again, Summit Creek is in Woodland Hills, which is located about an hour south of Salt Lake City, Utah. This home, again, is currently for sale. So if you are looking to purchase here in the Summit Creek area or anywhere in the surrounding areas, my team and I hear from people like you all the time, and we absolutely love it. So if you're thinking about making a move in a week, in a month, or even a year from now, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we would absolutely love to help you out. Take care, and wishing you a wonderful day. Bye.